one of those things that we're always thinking about, like how do we make it easier for you guys while you're out there on the road? And this is one of those things, right? So a few weeks ago, I was driving and a giant rock kicked up off a car, semi something, and hit my windshield and cracked it pretty good, and the crack started moving all the way up. And I thought, when am I gonna possibly have time to go and fix this? And then somebody here in the office told me, you should call this company called Safelite. They're nationwide, and I feel like I'm doing a commercial for them, but they came here to our office and replaced the windshield for me. So I did a little more research on them after they replaced it. It was very reasonable. It worked through my insurance. You could schedule it online. This is a thing that our nurses and techs and therapists could use while they're on the road. If you're driving any length of any part of the country, you're gonna experience something like this. Something's going to happen. A rock is gonna hit your windshield. How do you fix that while you're trying to work? How do you find a place in North Carolina or Virginia or Chicago when you're not familiar with the area? This makes it a whole lot easier. You go to their website and you type in the address where you're going to be. They call, they came here, fixed it. I signed off on it. It was super easy. So go to their website. It'll ask for all of your information, including your insurance information. They will come to you and they can get that fixed within usually a day or two. Like, it is quick. When they get out there to fix it, it is like that. Always thinking about you, trying to help you while you're out there on the road, making it easier for you.